Oh, yeah. Whew. Well, it's a start. All right, folks. We just got down to the creek and beautiful little rock bass to start off this day. So today we are going to be fishing the micro jig, and I fish this little micro jig a lot, and for good reason. It's an awesome little bait. So throwing the 1/4 ounce green pumpkin with the Super Bug Baby D-Bomb on the back, and we're throwing it on the Cashin micro jig rod and 2500 series Stratic 12-pound deep green SX1 to 8-pound FC Sniper fluorocarbon. So that's the setup today. We're gonna do some creek fishing and hopefully get into some smallmouth. I just got down here to the creek and there's some big smallmouth I'm seeing in a particular stretch that I have not ever fished before. Well, not that I've never fished it, but I just don't fish it often. So let's get to fishing, or let's keep fishing and see if we can crack that, I don't know, 3-pound creek smallmouth mark today. That'd be awesome. So yeah, stay tuned. Goodness, I feel like I'm getting too old to be climbing around rocks. Oh God, oh man. All right, I'm 25 going on 50. That's honestly how I feel most of the time. Did y'all hear that? Oh man, we're right by a rock quarry here, so it gets kind of loud. It gets kind of loud. So let's move a little bit, see what happens. Oh my gosh, giant smallmouth, giant. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm literally gonna cast right out there near in front of it. I'm about to lose this micro jig. All right, I'm down here. Finally got to where I was trying to get to, and not gonna lie, kind of sketchy, but I think I can get to some of these smallmouth. All right, we are going to switch the color from, let's see here, we're gonna go from Super Bug to El Diablo. I've been casting at these smallmouth for a good little bit here. And I don't think they want the Super Bug. Maybe not even that they don't want it, it's just that they've seen it 1,000 times go by their face. And maybe if we switch this up to Super Bug here, or the El Diablo, maybe it'll trick them enough to take a stab at it. So let's get this little sucker out and trim it up, toss it out there. All right, these smallmouth have proven that they are not going to bite, and that's fine. We'll move on. We will move on. There we go. I don't know what this is. I think it's a rock bass. All right. At least we got one more before we left this little spot. I guess I gotta cast one more time now. These little rock bass, man, they love the micro jig. Oh, dang it, he took one of my pinchers. Oh well, still works. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off. That was a big fish. Just kidding. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Nice little smallmouth. Goodness. Beautiful little fish. And go over here on the other side. Whew. Good Lord, that's a dark rock bass. On the micro jig though. Oh my gosh. There's a giant rock bass. Giant rock bass. Look at that. These things absolutely love this micro jig. Alright, hold on. This dude choked it. Dude literally choked it. Alright. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little fish. I don't even know what this is. Another rock bass. My goodness, these things, they love this micro jig. Look at this fish, guys. Beautiful little rock bass. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.